In this video, we are going to show you how to build a knowledge base in Poppy AI. Now, creating a knowledge base is practically just you feeding and training a specific Poppy chat uh, with the right amount and the right type of information or media, right? So it can be a very potent tool for you and your project. So how do you do this? Open a new board, of course, right? And then here you want to open a Poppy chat. You can do this later, but I've already opened it. So it is what it is. So it's there. Put it on the right side. And then all you need to do is create a group like so and then connect it. If it's close enough, it's going to be connect automatically. But if not, all you do is click here and then just drag, drop, and connect like that. Now, the thing you need here is all the information that you need. It can be videos, it can be documents, it could be Excel sheets, it can be links. So for this example, we're just going to say this link right here. This is Google Scholar, where proper, legit scholarly articles can be used or can be referenced without just using Google. So if I want to use this, I'm just going to copy the URL link, go here, paste it here inside the group. So as you can see, if I move it, it's going to be in the group, and just pretty much prompt Poppy Chat to study and analyze everything that is inside the group that is connected to it, so that it trains itself using the information and data that you have connected to it. It's practically that easy. So if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.